it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies project and it was created by Ceylan. And this project is all about the 80s. So originally I was working on 8 products at a time, but I actually think I'm gonna bump that up to 10 going forward because there are 80 prompts in this project, and so far I think I've only gotten to like 20 of them, and we're about halfway through the year, so I really want to get to all the prompts, so I think I'm going to bump it up to 10. So I was able to meet my goal on 3 items for this update. The first one was for Where's the Bee, a brown or nude product, and for me I chose this Laura Gellar eyeliner in this like champagne shade, and I was able to finish it. I really liked wearing this in my waterline. It was a good eyeliner. The next thing I was able to meet my goal on, which is really exciting, is for the prompt Princess Bride, and that's a favorite item. I chose this primer from First Aid Beauty, the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. And I think this has been in since the beginning of the project, so this has lasted a long time and I use it every day. I do my makeup every day with the exception of like that 1 week I got COVID, but other than that I do my makeup literally every day. So this lasts a long time, and just today it got to the point where I got to the air bubble and I squeezed out everything I could squeeze out. And I still can cut it open, which I'm going to do, but for the purposes of this update, I'm just going to be rolling it out and calling it finished. But yeah, that took a while. It's still my favorite primer, still love it a lot, so I would definitely repurchase that. And the last thing I met my goal on was for Betamax Small But Mighty. For that, I chose this NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. My goal was to use it 10 times. And I did use it 10 times. It's kind of unfortunate, but it's starting to get hard pan. But I do think the blush is pretty. Now let me share with you the products that I made progress on. Okay, first thing is for Push It. I put in this Revlon eyeliner. And I've been using it a lot recently since I'm on summer break, and this one smudges a lot. Not really caring that my makeup smudges since I'm just at home mostly swimming in the pool, so doesn't really matter. I definitely feel like it's gone down some, but still got a long way to go. So next is for Weird Science, and that's an unusual or weird product. For that I chose this Dove Dry Conditioner. So far I've used it 9 times. I am wearing it today in my hair. And this still feels like very full, like much more full than those dry shampoos that I've used. Still is leaving me. I don't know, I don't really get the point of this. It says it's supposed to make your hair like soft, but I don't really feel like it's the case. I feel like it's just kind of like a dry shampoo. So I've been using it just as a styling product, just to get it used up, but yeah, that's definitely not something I need. Next for Blockbuster, so that is a discontinued item. So for that I chose this body spray from Victoria's Secret in the blush scent. So when I put it in, I was up to there, and now I am down to here. So based on the progress I've made in 1 month, I feel like this is going to be cutting it pretty close for by the time we get to the end of the year. We'll see. For Indiana Jones, an indie product, I picked this Ofra lip pencil. I only used it maybe once or twice in the past month. I don't even think I sharpened it, so there's really not going to be much progress there. And the last thing for Neon, I picked this Essie nail polish in bottle service. My goal was to use it 3 times, and so far I've only used it twice, so I still have 1 more use left on that. Okay, so that means I can choose 5 new prompts, 3 to replace the 3 that are rolling out, and then 2 to bring my total up to 10. So let's see what I get. Jelly shoes! Oh my gosh, I loved jelly shoes when I was a kid. Valley Girl. Wild Thing. Lace. And one more. Top Gun. Okay, so I was just writing down the prompts and I realized that I already had the prompt Valley Girl, so I need to roll again. I just went through my wheel and made sure like I took out all of the prompts that I already had. So let me just roll that one real quick again. Strawberry shortcake. Okay. Let me go choose products for those prompts and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So for jelly shoes, that was a jelly-like product. So for that, I chose this Tarte Jelly Glaze. This is in the scent Strawberry Jelly. And this is a lip mask. And my goal is to finish it. Wild Thing, something wild in your collection. I wasn't exactly sure how to interpret this, so I just went with this Pure Festival palette because one of the shade names is called Wild Child. This bright pink right here. And my goal is to use that 5 times. Next is Top Gun, and that is a top product from any category in your collection. For me, I chose the blush category, and I chose this Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. My goal is to use it 10 times. Next is Lace, and that is a sheer item. For that, I chose this Clinique Chubby Stick in the shade Graped Up. I have used this shade a few times, so the tip is worn down a little bit, and my goal is to finish this. And this is the regular formula from the Chubby Stick. This is not the intense formula. The regular formula is more of a sheer formula. And the last prompt I chose is for Strawberry Shortcake, and that is a fruit scented or themed item. And for that, I decided to choose this Too Faced Primed and Peachy face primer. This is infused with peach and sweet fig cream. And my goal is to finish it. Okay, so that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye!